Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Express Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black. It looks great. You do have your bug deflector up front with your black grille. You do also have your halogen headlights right there, and you do have your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, you do have your 20-inch rims with your BF Goodrich tires. They look fantastic. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there with your running boards along the bottom. Has a 5-foot box back here with the cover on it. Looks great. You have your backup camera and your dual exhaust pipes back here. Now to open it up, we just got to turn this guy and this guy. And you gotta open this guy up. Looks great back here. Lots of room, and that cover's keeping things nice and safe and dry. Okay, we got our keys here. We got our panic button up there. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Handle here, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. Very comfortable seats. This guy does control the seat there. And then you also have the controls over your lights right here. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And then right up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals, the high beams, and the windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and how many kilometers we have, which is 45,000, not too bad at all. Now you can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as your trailer tow, your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting for you. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. You got your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Now you do have your radio, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab right here if you did want to hook one up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your compass, your settings, and your more options. Volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and your tuner and browser right there. Down here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low, as well as the neutral button right there. And over here we have the power up and down with the circulation. You have your hazard lights, AC and heat, as well as right here you do have where it's going to blow out of. Trailer brake here, you have your traction control and your tow and haul mode, and we got some storage just down there, as well as some storage here. Got 3 cup holders, as well as your armrest that doubles as a storage container, some coin holders here, as well as an aux cord and a USB plug-in. You can close that, lift this guy up, and you got some storage just underneath there. As well, you got your dual layer glove box, so your top layer there, and your bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. On the door here, you do have your handle. You got that control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here. Very comfortable seat, same as the front. You can lift this guy up and you got some storage under there. You do also have some cup holders, and then right underneath here, you do also have a little bit of storage. There's the same on the other side. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video. The 2017 Ram 1500 Express. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.